I have over 4 million subscribers on this channel. I've been on YouTube for 15 years, and I built a men's hair care brand, Forte, from scratch. No outside investors, no e-commerce experience. And after years of building it, we just got an opportunity of a lifetime. And to celebrate, I have a gift for you guys that I'll mention at the end of this video. Today, my brand Forte is launching in 861 Target stores nationwide. And to make it happen, I personally took out a loan for $1.5 million in inventory. This is the biggest bet that I've ever made in my life. In the week before launch day, everything almost fell apart. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me take you back to the beginning. Believe it or not, I started this channel posting Call of Duty gameplay videos in Portuguese, which is my native language. Then I got sick of gaming and switched to vlogs in English. And when I was reading my comment section back then, I noticed something weird. Guys wanted to know more about what I was wearing, my daily habits, and even about my hair. So I spent all my free time after my 9 to 5 learning about those things and then shooting videos about it. I would research all the ways to keep your hair healthy. Then I would post a video about it. Then I'd do the same for a video about skincare. And I fell in love with that content. I could truly feel that I was helping guys all over the world better themselves, look better, feel better, to never settle. And that's when my social media really took off. And this YouTube channel started growing like crazy. I was posting multiple times a day on Instagram, finally got to 50,000 followers there. The momentum was really strong, so I decided to do something that a lot of people thought was crazy. I quit my full-time job at Google to do social media full-time. And honestly, that was terrifying. But everything in my life had led to this point, and I needed to see it through. But I knew that to be successful, I would have to become a new person. I wasn't some entrepreneurial protege or more talented than others. I knew that I had to level up for this new business to work. So I read every possible book on entrepreneurship. I fully dialed in my habits. I became obsessed with consistency, waking up early, working out every day, eating healthy, posting my content, being disciplined. So that's what I did. I fully locked in, and it worked. Brands were recognizing my work, sponsoring my content, flying me out to promote their product, paying for event attendance. It was like a dream, but it was my real life. But sure enough, with each win, new problems would come up. My social media business was growing, and that was really exciting. But then I started to think, what comes next? Right? I needed something to look forward to. I was scared of what would happen if my social media just collapsed one day and I lost it all. Truth is, I saw that happen to a lot of other content creators. They burned out from posting too much. They got canceled for a tweet they sent out as a teenager, or they just took the wrong path. They became irrelevant, which is every influencer's worst nightmare, to become irrelevant. Old news. That's when I realized I just needed to do more. So at the end of 2019, I launched my men's hair care brand, Forte Series. With no outside investments, with no e-commerce skills whatsoever, I just went for it. And wow, I had no idea what I was in for. I had to learn about e-commerce, Shopify, email marketing, product margins. It was all new to me. We launched with 10,000 jars of this clay right here. This is very expired, but I'm never gonna get rid of it. We only promoted this brand on my social media channels, and we sold out within 6 weeks. And I just remember being so happy when the launch went well. You know, I'm really glad that up to this point, me and this small Forte team, we were able to overcome all of those challenges and get to where we are today. But this new challenge that I'm going up against is nothing like I've ever experienced before. Everything I've ever done, all the hard work, consistency, books, all the skills that I've had to learn, it all led me to this point. Today, February 22nd, 2026, my brand, Forte, is launching at Target. And it doesn't even feel real. I definitely feel imposter syndrome. It's hard to believe that we're going up against the big legacy brands in the space like American Crew, Old Spice, Suavecito, Fix Your Lid, brands that have dominated the shelf space at retailers for so long. Now we have the opportunity of a lifetime to show Target that our community is stronger. And maybe you're asking yourself this question: why launch at retail stores? You could have just kept it online. But I knew that for Forte to become a true legacy brand, a household name that everyone knows, something way bigger than my name, it needed to expand from online only to having a physical presence. And the best way was retail. I researched all the retailers: Target, Sephora, Ulta, Walmart, Nordstrom, Saks, you name it. Out of all of those names, Target just seemed right as the first retailer to ever carry Forte. So about a year ago, I landed a meeting to pitch Target. And since I'm the face of the brand and the founder, we decided that I should be the one leading this meeting and pitching Forte. And I just remember being so nervous. I knew the outcome of this meeting could change our trajectory entirely. I had 17 minutes to pitch and then 8 minutes afterwards for questions. And after the pitch, I remember hopping on a call with my team and seeing their faces, and we were all smiling. We all felt the meeting had gone really well. We didn't get our hopes up, but it felt good. Way better than we had imagined. So they said they were gonna get back to us in 3 weeks. Well, 3 weeks went by, then another 2, radio silence. And that's when you just start to refresh your email every 5 minutes. You know, you start spiraling. I'm thinking, did I talk too fast? Did they hate the jar design? You start analyzing every single thing that you said. Maybe they're going with a competitor. Maybe I said something they didn't like. It was torture. 2 months go by. I wake up one morning in July, I'll never forget it. I jumped out of my bed when I saw that email pop up in my inbox, and it was Target asking us to fill out a bunch of paperwork, and I couldn't believe it. You know, everything was about to change. Immediately, I got on a call with the team, decided to kick everything into high gear, redesigning our products to be shelf ready, analyzing competitors. We started inventory projection, and the biggest one, figuring out how we pay for all of this. We needed $1.5 million of inventory stat. And look, we're doing okay, but we're a small business. I'll spare the long story. I'll go more in depth in my vlog channel, but we found that the best way to secure the funds for this was for me to personally take out a very large loan. So I did it. This is the biggest risk that I've ever taken in my life. I took out this loan. We purchased a ton of inventory to launch, and the manufacturers started going full speed. And everything was going really well until
a monster winter storm warning for Rochester and the surrounding region.
The East Coast is expected to be.
You can't make this up, man. Our inventory was ready to be picked up by Target last month, but the roads were frozen and their trucks couldn't operate. When they say that in business, everything that can go wrong will go wrong, you better believe that. And here's the thing, if those trucks didn't move, we wouldn't just be late. In the retail world, if you miss your stocking window, you get fined, or worse, they cancel the order. We were staring at a $1.5 million loss because of ice. I remember looking at the weather app, just looking outside, praying for the temperature to change. Thankfully, the roads cleared up, the inventory was picked up, and as far as I know, the stores will be fully stocked for our launch today, February 22nd. These past few weeks, we've been working on the big launch campaign, content for my social media channels to promote it, content for the Forte social channels, content partnerships through influencers, UGC, traditional media, all to promote the fact that you can pick up a jar of Forte for the very first time in person at a Target today. The new product design looks so sleek, so good. The content is ready to go. The entire Forte team is so excited about this. They've worked really hard to get here. All of those early mornings, the late nights, thousands of videos, calls, meetings, shoots, it all led to this moment. But most of all, we would have never been able to get into Target without your support, without you watching my content, trusting me, spending your own money to buy Forte, my brand. This business that I had no idea how to even start, and now because of you guys, we are in Target. And yes, this is gonna be a battle. This is our biggest challenge ever. We have to prove ourselves. We have to sell for this to be a successful deal with Target. This isn't a win. This is just the beginning of the battle. And we're going up against massive conglomerates with unlimited budgets. You know, they have entire teams, entire floors of marketing teams. We have me, a very small team, and you. So if you usually buy your products online, pick up your Forte products in stores just to help us out this once. If you've ever gotten any value from my videos, I hope you go to your neighborhood Target and ask for Forte series hair products. And when you walk to that aisle, you're gonna see Forte sitting next to the giants. Let's show them that quality and community win over corporate budgets. And to celebrate this launch, I'm doing something that I've never done before. I'm flying one of you to New York City for an all expenses paid trip to hang out with me, with my team. I'll take you out to dinner. We'll do some fun activities. You're gonna be in my vlog, so it's gonna be sick. We're announcing the winner on March 6th. So make sure to enter this week. Just go to Target, shoot a photo holding the Forte product, and then upload that and the receipt to the link in the description below. Also, the first 300 people who do that are gonna get their purchase reimbursed. All the details are in the description below. By the way, this YouTube video is a collab with my vlog channel where I show you how I'm building Forte into the biggest men's hair care brand in the world. It's my first time using this YouTube feature, so subscribe to the vlog channel if you want more of this type of content. Thanks again for your support. I really hope to see you in stores starting today. I'm counting on you, and I'll see you there.